The technology underpinning ChatGPT, driven by advanced AI and machine learning, is set to transform work and reinvent business in several profound ways. The emergence of the generative intelligence ecosystem brings a wave of both revolution and risk to the world. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Generative AI is poised to reshape industries by revolutionizing operating models, transforming value chains, and alerting economic dynamics. Indian enterprises are particularly optimistic about the potential of Gen AI, recognizing its capabilities to drive significant changes across various sectors. However, they also acknowledge the need for better preparation and strategic navigation to effectively embrace this transformative technology. ChatGPT has woken up the world to the transformative potential of artificial intelligence, capturing global attention and sparking a wave of creativity rarely seen before. Its ability to mimic human dialogue and decision making has given us AI's first true inflection point in public adoption. A foundation model is a generic term for large models with billions of parameters. With recent advances, companies can now build specialized image and language generating models on top of these foundation models. Large language models are both a type of generative AI and a type of foundation model. The LLMs behind ChatGPT mark a significant turning point and milestone in artificial intelligence. LLMs are pre trained on extensive data sets that include text, images, and audio. This massive pre training helps them understand a wide array of contexts and information. After pre training, these models can be adapted or fine tuned for a wide range of specific tasks. This adaptability allows them to be repurposed for different applications, making them highly versatile. Gen AI can automate complex processes across industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. This automation leads to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and the ability to scale operations seamlessly. By optimizing workflows and reducing the need for manual intervention, Gen AI helps organizations achieve higher productivity and operational efficiency. As generative AI continues to evolve, its impact on business processes, services will only grow. By embracing this technology, businesses can achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. The emergence of the generative AI ecosystem marks a significant technological revolution, bringing both tremendous opportunities and considerable risks. Let's look into today's headlines. CBSE boosts digital education with launch of Advanced Video Recording Studio. The Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, has inaugurated its state-of-the-art video recording studio, marking a significant step towards enhancing digital education. This new facility aims to enrich the learning experience for teachers, students, and parents globally. The new studio is outfitted with the latest technology to ensure the production of high-quality educational content. Features include high definition cameras, advanced audio systems, green screens, and professional lighting setups. Lenovo introduces its first portable gaming console, Legion Go, in India. Lenovo has unveiled the Legion Go, its first ever portable gaming console in India. It has an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor running Windows, 16 GB of RAM, and an 8.8-inch IPS touchscreen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. It is priced at Rs 89,990 and comes with a 49.2 watt hours battery, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and up to 1 TB SSD storage. Control-less Data Centers announces expansion plans for AI-ready data centers in Kolkata. Control-less Data Centers has unveiled major expansion plans for Kolkata with an aim to develop a complete ecosystem of cutting-edge AI-ready data centers. This advanced network and connectivity ecosystem will reportedly serve the needs of enterprises, government, and hyperscalers in the region. Control-less Data Centers has earmarked an investment of Rs 2,200 crore to build a robust ecosystem in the near future. The Greenfield Data Center campus will come up in the New Town area of Kolkata. Google releases 5 additional Chrome mobile browser tools. In an effort to improve user search, Google has revealed the inclusion of 5 new capabilities to its Chrome mobile browser. Updates include trending search ideas, live sports cards for fans, more individualized search recommendations, shortcuts to local search results, and a new address bar for simpler navigation. Devices running iOS and Android will soon be able to access these functionalities. Delhi Airport's Terminal 1 roof collapsed, killing one. Airlines issue travel alert. Heavy rains caused a piece of the ceiling at Delhi Airport's Terminal 1 to collapse, suspending all departures, injuring at least 6 people and killing one person. The incident occurred amid heavy rains, damaging several vehicles parked in the pickup and drop area. While rescue efforts proceeded, airlines such as Air India and Indigo issued alerts and cancelled flights. Customers are advised to keep track of and confirm their flight status before leaving for the airport, said the airline. Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu has announced compensation of 20 lakh rupees for the next of kin of the deceased. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.